Why patient traders win while busy traders lose. The painful truth. Most traders don't lose money because they don't know how to trade. They lose money because they cannot wait. They believe activity equals progress. They believe clicking buttons means they're doing something right. But the market doesn't pay you for effort. It pays you for timing. And timing demands patience, something most traders never train. Problem: why most traders fail. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. How many trades have you taken just because you were bored? How many positions were opened simply to feel involved? That urge to always be in a trade is the fastest account killer in existence. The market is not a slot machine. It is a probability machine, and probabilities only favor those who wait for conditions, not those who chase movement. Busy trading versus professional waiting. Professional traders understand one brutal rule. You don't get paid for trading often. You get paid for trading well. Big money is made in specific moments, not constant activity. Those moments don't show up every hour, sometimes not even every week. Most traders never catch them, not because they're blind, because they're exhausted from bad trades. Actionable shift. What waiting really means. Waiting does not mean being lazy. Waiting means being selective. A professional trader knows exactly what setup they are waiting for, what invalidates it, what confirms it, where risk is defined. If the conditions aren't met, there is no trade, no negotiation, no guessing, no almost. Almost setups don't pay. Mental reset. Cash is a position. Here is something beginners hate hearing. Cash is not failure. Cash is power. Every bad trade you skip preserves capital for the real opportunity. Every forced trade weakens your future position. Professionals fold far more than they play, just like poker. Survival comes first. Profit comes second. Reality check. Why impatience creates losses. Impatience creates chasing breakouts, late entries, oversized positions, revenge trades, emotional exits. One weak trade doesn't destroy accounts, habits do. And impatience is the habit that quietly drains traders over time. Solution framework. The professional waiting loop. Here is how pros wait differently. Define your setup before the market opens. Mark key levels, support, resistance, structure. Decide risk in advance. Sit out everything else. When the signal appears, execution is fast because preparation was done during waiting. Waiting is the work. Powerful truth. Doing less makes you more. This is the paradox of trading. The less you trade, the better you trade, if your entries are selective. Most losing traders would instantly improve results by trading half as often, risking less, saying no more often. Precision beats effort. Final lesson. Discipline over excitement. Trading for excitement is gambling. Trading for setups is professionalism. The market tests you every day. Will you chase this? Will you jump early? Will you force it? Your future as a trader is decided by how you answer those tests. In closing, the decision that builds wealth. So ask yourself, do you want to feel busy or do you want to be right? Do you want action or do you want consistency? Because you can't have both. The traders who last are not the smartest, they are the most disciplined. They wait, they prepare, and when the moment arrives, they strike with conviction.